Hey guys, this is the dashboard. This time we're taking you out to the AFMC car show in Kingsland, Georgia. And this is the Walkabout Cam. This was a great little show, kind of on the small side. But that made it, that much better. It was a, nice little laid back show, kind of chilled out. So anyway, we took a lot of video, a lot of pictures. It may have been small because the spring turkey run in Daytona was going on, but you never know. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.
What's going on, Will?
Oh, not much.
Old 63 GMC.
Yeah, she's pretty.
That's Shelly.
What's going on, Will?
Oh, not much. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this video from the AFMC car show in Kingsland, Georgia. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to drop us a like or a comment or share it around to your car show friends and car show people or just car people in general. It really help out the channel, help us grow. So, Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.